What's going on, guys? Blender Bench here. You guys read the title, you clicked on the thumbnail, so you know what the video is about. So let's get into it. So you're using Blender to create bust, full body characters, maybe even props, realistic environments. And your next step is, how can I go about obtaining some type of money or revenue? Here's a couple of different ways you can go about using your Blender knowledge to bring in some type of income. Portfolio. First things first is to create some type of portfolio or gallery to display your work, so people can kind of get a sense of what style of artist you are, as well as what level you're at. And then people will be more enticed to want to hire you for freelance work and things of that nature. So if you go to my message, you'll see just a couple days ago, someone just recently reached out to see if I could work on a project with them, at least pay me for my time to show them how to do something. And this is just one of the first steps you want to start doing. Udemy is really important. I think it's a vital source of income because it's a website where you can post online courses. And if you're posting about Blender, I think it's really popular. So let's just type my name in, for instance, Kendall Jones. And if you click on my instructor's profile, you'll see I have 427 students, 108 reviews, and I have a total of 5 courses posted. So if you click my most recent one, Blender for Game Art, you'll see that within this last month, I gained 40 students that purchased my course. Now, typically my course is $45, but they're doing a promotion, so it's sold for $10. So let's just say 40 students purchased a $10 course. That now gives us $400 of income this month. And I have a total of 5 courses, so let's say 400 times 5. That's $2,000 approximately that you can earn monthly. So that's why Udemy is really important. UPWORK is another easy way to bring in some type of income using your Blender knowledge, because UPWORK is a website for hiring freelancers or a way to find work as a freelancer. So let's go up into the search bar here at the top. Let's search for the jobs and let's type in 3D modeling, right? You can 3D model using Blender. So let's just see, people post every like 15 to 20 minutes. So metal texture, normal map, hourly they're paying anywhere from $19 to $45 an hour. Hi, I'm looking for a texture normal map for a cylinder. Easy work, guys. Recreate plan details. Need a designer to produce 3D drawings. I need a 3D animator. You can animate inside Blender, right? And this is a fixed price of $3,500, right? And they're just looking for an amazing 3D cartoon animator that can make a 3D animated video. So this is, as you can see, an easy way of bringing in some type of income using your Blender knowledge. YouTube is another great way of bringing in a profitable source of passive income, because you can utilize your knowledge in Blender and start uploading tutorials about various subject matters pertaining to Blender. And once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched on YouTube, you'll start being paid for the ads that are displayed upon the videos. As well as YouTube gives you more perks like music that you can monetize, as well as membership access, so you can allow your audience to join memberships for various prices, and it's subscription based. So that's another great reason. Last but definitely not least, the 5th way of earning some type of revenue from your Blender knowledge is to create a Patreon. And this is basically used to piggyback off of another website, whether it be YouTube or your personal website, a way of your fans to support you as an artist. And it's subscription based. So let's type in Blender. Let's see who's posting Blender videos or items on Patreon. So you see here we got Chip Walters. He has, for $1 a month, you can pledge to him, and he has 875 patrons. So $1 from each of those, that's $875 he's bringing home monthly, right? So let's check out William Langren. And the more patrons you have doesn't necessarily mean you'll make more money, because you see he has 200 less than Chip, and I think he makes a little bit more. So he has 3 different tiers, $3, $7, and $10, but he has a total of 712 patrons. So let's just do some quick math. 712 patrons all pay $3. So that will give you $2,136. But let's just say each Patreon was signed up for the $7 per month. 712 times 7 is 4,984. And what if everyone was insane and paid $10 a month, which is a cup of coffee or a subscription of Netflix? So 712 times 10 is $7,120 that you can, roughly make using Patreon alone. So imagine adding this with some freelance work, with some YouTube, with some Udemy. You can easily bring home 10,000 plus a month. So think about that, guys. And if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.